Happy New Year, everybody. January 1st, 2024. Out here on Long Island at a beautiful state park with my 2023 Indian Challenger Elite. Out for a little putt. About 3,000 miles on my bike today, and some recent additions, as some of you may know, include the Tab Performance Folsom Prism bars. These are the +6s, which are perfect for me. I'm at 5'11". The reach and the height are great for me. I thought the scale was perfect and appropriate as well. Installed them myself with the help of some fellow YouTubers. Showed me the way. If you're thinking about doing it yourself and you want some encouragement or guidance, feel free to reach out to me. Another recent addition, went with Tab Performance again. On the BAM sticks, slip-on exhaust, badass mufflers. I went with medium tone. I did not feel I needed to go full bore with the zombie sticks. 58 years old, somewhat quiet neighborhood, but mostly I do a lot of riding with groups. Did not want to be blowing out the people behind me. We do a lot of long runs when we do. Let's see if I can get this going for you. I know the exhaust through this phone is not going to be representative of the true sound over stock, but it is a deep, throaty sound